Installing wired under cabinet lighting can really be complicated, expensive, and require drilling. I absolutely love these are USB-C chargeable. They sit in the deck and you can have them in the on position, the off position, or the auto position. For motion sensor activation, like under my cabinets, you can also change the color from a daylight to a warm to the warmest tone, depending on your preference and the lighting in your room. These are magnet attachable, so this can either be attached via sticky or screwed through the center hole, and you can do it upside down on the wall, whatever you like. And then these attach by magnets. Magnet stays really tight and they can kind of go wherever you want them. When you're ready to take them down and recharge them, you can take them down and put them back up. They're also remote controlled chargeable, so you can keep them in the on or off position. There we go. Turn back on. You can also control a number of the aspects between the color, between the various ones. So once they're installed, you can switch between the cool tones, the mid-tones, or the warmer tones as well. And then you can control the timer function. They can auto stay on for 15, 30, 45, up to 2 hours on your timer. As well as the brightness, you can choose how bright or how dim, controlling that from the remote control as well. Long battery life, 60 to 90 days, and the 8-hour continuous on motion, the 3 charging slots, color temperature, motion sensing are always on, tool-free installation. Overall, very pleased with these. Hope that helps.